The $6 can of WD-40 sitting in your garage could be saving you thousands in car repairs, but honestly, most people are using it the wrong way. From fighting rust to helping diagnose engine problems, these 15 WD-40 tricks are the kind of thing professional car owners swear by. Stay until the end, because one of these tips could help protect your engine from a serious breakdown. Let's get into it. Trick number 15, rust repair trick. Most people think WD-40 is only for squeaky hinges, but that is just the beginning. Your car's metal parts are under constant attack from moisture, road salt, and the weather. Over time that means rust, and rust never stops working. Chrome bumpers, exhaust tips, wheel wells, door hinges, and hood latches can all become corrosion hotspots. That is where WD-40 comes in. When applied correctly, it creates a protective barrier that helps repel moisture and slow down rust. It also penetrates tiny surface pores and helps push out water before corrosion can take hold. A quick spray every couple of months can help you avoid expensive polishing, repainting, or even bodywork. Prevention is always cheaper than repair. Trick number 14, vacuum leak diagnostic. If your engine is idling rough or your check engine light keeps coming on for no clear reason, a vacuum leak could be the problem. Here is a simple test. With the engine running, spray WD-40 around vacuum hoses. If the idle changes, you may have found the leak. The spray temporarily seals the gap, which helps confirm the issue fast. It is a simple trick that can save you a costly diagnostic visit. Trick number 13, license plate restoration. A dirty license plate may not seem like a big deal, but grime buildup and UV exposure can make it hard to read over time. The fix is easy. Clean it with soap and water first, then use a little WD-40 with a microfiber cloth to remove leftover dirt, grease, and light rust. It leaves the plate looking cleaner and sharper in less than a minute. Trick number 12, tire sidewall shine. Faded tires can make even a clean car look older than it is. Instead of buying a pricey tire dressing, WD-40 can help restore some of that dark, fresh look. Clean the tires first, then apply a light coat only to the sidewalls. Savomari 20 days. It can help improve appearance and add a bit of protection against drying and UV exposure. Trick number 11, electrical protection. A lot of electrical problems start with moisture, and since WD-40 stands for water displacement, that is exactly what it was made to handle. A light spray on powered-off connectors can help reduce moisture and prevent corrosion. For sensitive components, use WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner for a residue-free finish. Trick number 10, weather stripping protection. Rubber seals can dry out, crack, and start letting water into your car. That can lead to leaks, mold, and expensive interior damage. Use WD-40 Specialist Silicone Spray on weather stripping to help keep it soft and flexible. Apply it lightly, then wipe away the excess for a clean finish. Trick number 9, tree sap removal. Tree sap can be brutal on paint. If it's left too long, it can really stick hard and, damage the surface. WD-40 helps soften the sap so it wipes away more easily without scratching the paint. Just spray it on, wait a couple of minutes, wipe it off, then wash and wax the area afterward. That simple step can help you avoid expensive repainting. Trick number 8, rusty bolt penetration. Stuck bolts are honestly one of the most frustrating problems in car repair. WD-40 Specialist Penetrant is designed to seep into threads and break through corrosion. It helps loosen seized bolts before they snap, which can save you from far more expensive repairs. Trick number 7, chrome restoration. If your chrome has gone dull, WD-40 can bring back some of the shine quickly. Just spray a small amount on the surface, wipe it clean, and it helps lift grime while leaving behind a protective layer. It's a fast way to refresh trim and metal accents. Trick number 6, flooded engine fix. Moisture in ignition components can keep your engine from starting properly. In some cases, WD-40 can help displace that water from caps, coils, and wires. Just make sure the engine is off and fully cool before using it. Honestly, this is one of those simple fixes that can sometimes get you back on the road faster. Trick number 5, scratch myth. So, a lot of people claim WD-40 can fix scratches, but that is pretty misleading. It may hide the scratch temporarily, but it does not actually repair the damage. In fact, it can attract dirt and create more problems over time. For real results, you should use proper scratch repair products instead. Trick number 4, battery terminal protection. Corrosion on battery terminals can lead to poor starts and electrical headaches. After cleaning the terminals, apply a light coat of WD-40 to help protect them from moisture and corrosion. That simple step can improve reliability and help extend battery life. Alright, trick number 3. Brake contamination danger. You should never spray WD-40 on your brakes. It can actually reduce friction and honestly, create a serious safety hazard. For brakes, always use proper brake cleaner only. This is one area where, well, WD-40 just does not belong. And remember, never spray it on your brakes. Trick number 2, engine damage warning. Never pour WD-40 into your engine or fuel system. It is not engine oil, and using it that way can cause severe damage. Honestly, a mistake like that could turn into a repair bill worth thousands. Bonus, wiper blade protection. To help extend the life of your wiper blades, use WD-40 Specialist Silicone Spray. It can reduce squeaking, help prevent cracking, and improve visibility in the rain. Trick number 1, door hinge lubrication. Squeaky doors are one of the easiest problems to fix. Just spray WD-40 directly onto the hinge pivot points, open and close the door a few times to work it in, and then wipe away any excess. It reduces wear, helps prevent rust, and keeps the hinge working smoothly. Final thought. There you have it. 15 WD-40 tricks that can help save time, money, and a lot of frustration. Use it the right way, avoid the dangerous mistakes, and your car will stay in better shape for longer.